Friends, in this video you are going to learn about Hans Christian Orested experiment. He is the one who have performed an experiment which give rise to magnetic effect of current. This means that a current carrying wire produces magnetic field around it. This is given by Hans Christian Orested experiment. Let us see how he have performed the experiment. For performing the experiment, he have taken a conductor AB. Below the conductor there is a magnetic compass. This is a magnetic compass. This is the north of the magnetic compass. North I am writing here. And this conductor is connected with a battery source and a switch. When the switch is on, then current passes from A to B. When current passes from A to B, then the magnetic needle kept below the wire shows deflection and it will be deflected in this direction. This means that new position of magnetic needle is this. This is the new position of magnetic needle. When he has shown that a magnetic needle showing deflection when kept below a current carrying wire, then he thought that what will be happen if polarity of the battery will be changed. Then second, he have taken the same conductor AB connected with the same battery source and changing the polarity. This means that minus will be here, plus will be this side, and keeping the magnetic needle at the same place. This is the magnetic needle in the same place. Now again he have switch on it. When we switch on it, then what will happen? Current will pass from B to A and this magnetic needle shows deflection. This time the deflection is in opposite direction. This means that the north will be deflected in this direction. So south will be in this direction. So new position of magnetic needle is this. This is the new position of magnetic needle. So this experiment shows that when a current is passing through a wire and a magnetic compass is kept below the wire, then the magnetic compass shows deflection. If the polarity of the current is changed, then deflection of magnetic compass also changes. This concludes that a current carrying wire produces a magnetic field, because we know that a magnet deflects another magnet. So here if deflection is occur due to passing of current through the wire, this means that a current carrying wire produces a magnetic field. So Hans Christian Orested experiment says that current carrying wire produces magnetic field around it. Now the question is, if it produces magnetic field around it, then how will you find the direction of magnetic field? Direction of magnetic field is given by Ampere's swimming rule and Snow rule. So when you talk about direction of magnetic field, then it is given by number A, Ampere swimming rule, and number B, SNOW Snow rule. Let us understand this rule one by one. Ampere swimming rule says that if this is a wire and current is flowing from this end to this end of the wire, magnetic compass is kept below the wire. This is magnetic compass kept below the wire. This is the north of the compass. Then imagine a man swimming inside the wire. This is a man swimming inside the wire. So here you have a man swimming inside the wire. This is a man swimming inside the wire, facing his face towards the magnetic compass. So he is facing towards the magnetic compass. then north of the magnetic compass will deflect towards its left hand side. So this is the right hand, this is left hand, so it will deflected towards left hand side. So Ampere swimming rule says that imagine a man swimming inside a wire such that current enter from his feet and leave from his head, and he is facing toward the magnetic compass. Then north of the magnetic compass will deflect towards its left hand side. This is said to be Ampere's swimming rule. This can anotherly understand by another rule known as Snow rule. Here Snow rule says that this is the magnetic compass we are taking. This is the north and this is south of magnetic compass. Let us have here south, north, east, west marking. So if current is flowing from south to north, then north of the magnetic compass will deflect towards west. So Snow rule says that when current is flowing through south to north and magnetic compass is kept below the wire, north of magnetic compass and north of the wire are same, then north of the magnetic compass will deflect towards west. I am repeating this. When current is flowing from south to north, then north of the magnetic compass kept below the wire will move towards its west. This is said to be Snow rule. So thus direction is given by Snow rule and Ampere swimming rule, and it is clear that around the current carrying wire there is a magnetic field. Now the question arises that what is the magnitude of the magnetic field? Then magnitude of magnetic field is given by Biot-Savart's law. Magnitude of magnetic field around a current carrying wire is given by which law? Biot-Savart's law. In the next video lecture, you will learn about Biot-Savart's law. For upcoming video, do like, subscribe and share my channel Physics Gold Ravi Kumar. Thank you.